Saving a document in MS Word, of course, make sure that you are in the Microsoft Word, as you can see on your screen. So click on File, then in the upper left corner of the window, we have the File tab, this one here. Then select Save As or Save. Save if you are saving the documents for the first time, okay? And Save As if you want to save a new copy or save existing document with a different name or location. So Save As, and then let's go to Browse, and you can create new folder if you want. For example, name the folder My Folder, and then double click and write the name of your documents, or you can write your name if you want. So I'm going to write it document 1, doc 1, okay, and then save. Okay, that is the proper way of saving your documents in MS Word. All right, so again, the first thing you need to do is, of course, click on File. The file is in the upper left corner of the Windows. As you can see here, this is the File tab. And then you can go to Save or Save As. So save if you are saving the document for the first time. Select Save As if you want to save a new copy or save an existing document with a different name or location. So choose a location, Save As, and then a location. In the Save As dialog box, navigate to folder where you want to save the document, or you can select such as these PC documents or any other folder. So you can go this PC if you want, or browse or my documents. So I'm gonna go browse and then my documents. Okay, and you can make your own folder by clicking the new folder, and then so new folder. Okay, my folder 2, and then double click. Okay, sorry. So I'm gonna rename this to my folder sheet 2. Okay, and then open, double click. Okay, sorry, back my folder. You can search the folder here, my folder 2. Okay, now it's here, double click and then save doc01, or you can write your name, Juan de la Cruz. Juan de la Cruz. Okay, and save. That is the proper way of saving your file. Please don't forget to subscribe.